Today, we would like to share with you how to integrate PinChat with SimplyBook to complete online booking experiences. When using PinChat as your pre-sales consulting tool, would you like to enable potential customers to book your services directly online? SimplyBook is a service that can be seamlessly integrated for this purpose. It is particularly suitable for industries such as beauty, sports and fitness, medical clinics, tour guiding, venue reservations, or various consultancy services. A SimplyBook can fully support them all. Additionally, SimplyBook supports payment integration, allowing you to collect deposits online and reduce the risk of cancellations. It is also well suited for industries that offer paid consultations. First, go to SimplyBook and complete account registration, and follow the instructions to initialize your booking page. After a simple setup, you will have a booking page. Let's go to the SimplyBook admin panel. On the right side, you will see the URL of your booking page. Copy this URL. Next, go back to the PinChat dashboard. There are two recommended ways to integrate SimplyBook: Pinball for micro website and Pinbot for chatbot. Let's start with the integration on Pinball. After selecting the PinChat link you want to integrate, choose Basic Settings, then select Pinball and Interactive button. Below, select Add button. Since I want customers to be able to book directly, I will enter Book Service as the button title and choose Link as the button type. Paste the URL of your SimplyBook booking page in the link field. Click Save to complete the integration setup. Next is the integration on Pinbot. Select Advanced Settings and choose Pinbot. Below, you will see the chatbot you have previously set up. I want to add the SimplyBook booking page to one of the button template messages. Click on the button template message you want to add in the lower right corner. Then click Add button below. Choose Link Action as the button type and enter Book Service as the button text. Paste the URL of your SimplyBook booking pages as a link. Great! You have completed the integration. Now let's see how the actual customer experience works. On Pinboard, customers can directly click the link to make a booking. Or when they enter the chat room, Pinbot will assist in understanding their needs and automatically help them make a reservation. Isn't it convenient and easy? Integrate SimplyBook seamlessly into PinChat and let your customers come to you automatically.